Using Mailchimp's purchase behaviors feature can transform the way you connect with your customers and boost your marketing efforts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage this powerful tool to increase your sales, improve targeting, and personalize customer outreach in ways that really work. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to try Mailchimp for free, along with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So, first off, Mailchimp's purchase behaviors feature allows you to create detailed customer segments based on their actual buying behavior. This means you can target customers who have made a purchase in the last 30 days, those who abandoned their carts, or even those who haven't bought anything in a while but are still on your list. Next thing, let's talk about how you can set up purchase behavior triggers. This feature lets you automate emails to be sent based on specific actions a customer takes, like buying a product or leaving items in their cart. You can create automated flows to remind them about abandoned carts, suggest complementary products, or even offer discounts to nudge them toward a purchase. The fourth thing to highlight is how easy it is to track the performance of your campaigns once you've implemented purchase behavior segmentation. You can get clear insights on how well your targeted emails are doing, allowing you to refine your strategy over time. Whether it's tracking open rates, click rates, or actual conversions, Mailchimp's analytics give you the data you need to optimize your approach. Another key benefit is the ability to personalize your emails even further. You can use purchase behavior data to tailor your messages, making them more relevant to the individual recipient. For example, if a customer frequently buys products in a particular category, you can send them promotions or updates about similar items they might be interested in. Next thing, let's dive into how Mailchimp helps you target repeat customers with this feature. By analyzing past purchase behavior, you can set up campaigns specifically designed to keep your loyal customers engaged. For instance, you can reward customers who've made multiple purchases with loyalty discounts or exclusive offers, creating a sense of exclusivity and encouraging repeat sales. The last thing to remember is that the purchase behaviors feature integrates seamlessly with Mailchimp's other marketing tools, so you're not just limited to email campaigns. You can use the same segmentation to target customers with Facebook and Instagram ads, ensuring a consistent message across all your marketing channels. Remember, you can try Mailchimp completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll get access to exclusive bonuses if you sign up today. To recap, Mailchimp's purchase behaviors feature is an incredible tool to enhance your email marketing efforts. It helps you create targeted, automated campaigns, personalize your outreach, and track your performance to make data-driven decisions. And don't forget, if you sign up today, you can access Mailchimp for free and get our special extended trial. Happy marketing!